Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn a beautiful knitting pattern. This pattern is suitable for all projects like baby sweater, gents cardigan, reversible shawl, baby blanket. I have knitted a girl's cap with the same pattern and the same video link is in the description. Please go and check the video. Here I have 23 stitches on my needle. First row is on right side. That is knit 1 purl 1, 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 repeat the same till the last stitch. These are last two stitches. Knit 1 purl 1, now on the wrong side of the pattern, that is row 2. Now knit as the stitches appear. This is knit 1 purl 1, 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 knit 1 purl 1. Now repeat the same till the last stitch. This pattern is of 4 rows. Knit 1 purl 1, knit 1 purl 1, end of the row, that is knit 1 purl 1. This is my third row on right side. Here slip the first stitch. Knit on purl stitch, purl on knit stitch. This is purl stitch, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. So repeat knit 1 purl 1 till last stitch of the same row. This is my fourth row on wrong side. Slip 1. Here knit all the stitches how they appear on needle. From here again knit 1 purl 1, knit 1 purl 1, knit 1 purl 1 till last stitch of the row. These are last two stitches. Purl 1, knit 1. I have finished all 4 rows of the pattern. Repeat these 4 rows for the beautiful pattern. After repeating some rows, it looks like this. I have knitted same pattern in 2 of my projects. This is ladies jacket. It looks very pretty. This pattern looks very decent and beautiful. Even the cap also. It looks very beautiful. Friends, please like my videos, share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.